Hello everyone, this is Herb from World of Walt coming to you live from Disney's Animal Kingdom on a sunny Saturday morning. We have a fast pass for Primeval Whirl. It'll take the long way to get there. Check out what's going on at Animal Kingdom. Thanks for joining me today. It is a bright day, a warm day, what you would expect for the end of summertime here at Walt Disney World. Phil is in the house. Hey Phil, how's it going? Brett and Leland, hello to you. Hi Shawnee, thanks for joining me. Welcome to Animal Kingdom. I'm going to head up towards the Tree of Life, and instead of taking a right for the direct route to Primeval Whirl, I'm going to head more over to the left. We're going to do the loop around past Everest. Check out what's going on here today. Jen, how's it going? 61 days to go. Victor has 31. Kathy's heading to the Magic Kingdom. Good for you. Good day to go to the Magic Kingdom today. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party has fired up for the season. Yes, in August. Had a chance to go to the first party. It was a lot of fun. Check out some videos on Facebook Live and YouTube. Also some articles at worldofwalt.com. Megan, good morning. Dawn from Cincinnati, Ohio. How's it going? Molly from North Carolina, hello. Sue, Kathy, thanks for being here. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Jill, good morning. Says looks like it's a beautiful morning. It really is a pretty day. A few clouds in the sky. A little humid. Well, okay, a lot humid. Definitely warm. But that's summertime. All right, here we go. The big reveal. There it is. The Tree of Life straight ahead. A lot of folks are streaming into Disney's Animal Kingdom today. Good day to be out and about. Jim says he and his wife love the broadcast. Thank you very much for tuning in. Makes it a lot more fun when I can share it with other folks. Travis has got a month to go. Good morning to you. All right, today we have a fast pass for Primeval Whirl. So normally I would hang a right here to get to Dinoland USA. But decided to take the long way around so you can see a little bit more about what's happening here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Mel, good morning from Kansas to you. Angelica from Albuquerque, New Mexico, where it's probably also quite warm. We're sort of headed in the way towards Pandora, although Pandora is not a place I'm planning to go today. We go up here just before Pizza Fari, hang a left. That would take us to Pandora, the world of Avatar. Very exciting place to visit. If you have not been there before, it definitely feels otherworldly. But we're going to come up here towards Pizza Fari. We're going to hang a right, go by Starbucks, then hang another right towards the top of the park. Just take a little tour of what it looks like today. Bridget, what's my favorite restaurant or food at Animal Kingdom? Good question. I was actually thinking about that on the ride in this morning because, well, I'm hungry. One of my favorites is Flame Tree Barbecue, which is a quick service restaurant with really high quality barbecue food. Love the baked beans there. So if you have a hankering for barbecue, that is a place I would definitely recommend. Valerie from New Jersey, good morning to you. Michelle's going to be here in October. Good time to visit. Linda from Louisiana, hello. Got some construction walls up here. There's access to Discovery Island trails. Go up by top of the above. All right, straight ahead on our left is Creature Comforts. the Starbucks location for Disney's Animal Kingdom. And you can see the line is out the door. A lot of people lined up to get their Starbucks fixed today. John's got 45 days to go. Gonna be checking out Tusker House. Good choice. Debbie's also going to be here in October. All right, the gates to Africa are straight ahead. If we were to keep going straight on this path, it would take us to Kilimanjaro Safaris. Over towards the left is the not-so-new home of Festival of the Lion King. But up here, we're going to hang a right. We'll go up around towards Everest, then down into Dino Land to our destination, which is Primeval Whirl. Lisa from Pennsylvania, going to be here in November. A lot of folks have got trips coming up. Good time of the year to come. Should turn down the heat a little bit in the upcoming months. Carrie's got 26 days. Steven says enjoys the walks to the rides almost as much as the ride. Yeah, me too. It's fun just to check out the atmosphere of what's going on here. Lots to see and do at all the parks. Definitely true here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Pin station off here to the right. Place I like to stop and check out what's going on with Disney trading pins. Nobody is playing the drums right here. I'm kind of surprised. Normally you have some amateur musicians trying out their drumming skills. Stephen from Wisconsin, good morning to you. Robin, 23 days to go. Thanks everyone for all your comments. Nice to chat with you. Okay. Let's see, over to the right, Tree of Life. Really nice flowering shrubs today. Emily is going to be here for Christmas week. Can't wait for the insanity. That is a good way to describe it. Time between Christmas and New Year's all over the Walt Disney World Resort is almost without question the busiest time. The parks, especially the Magic Kingdom, will close due to capacity. Crowds everywhere. It's a fun time. It's a fun time to be in the middle of all the hustle and bustle. Christmas decorations are out everywhere. It's good to have expectations about what will happen during that week. You will wait for everything, not just attractions, but restaurants and bathrooms and everything you could possibly want to do. There will be a line for it, but it's a really exciting time of the year to be here. Okay, over here to our left is Up, a great bird adventure. Had a chance to check that out when it premiered. There's a video on Facebook Live and also on YouTube. Actually read recently that Disney is in the midst of reworking the script for the show. Oh, I don't remember seeing these statues before with Doug and Russell. That's kind of fun. Rob said good morning, was just at Animal Kingdom, heading to Epcot today. Good day for Epcot. I was at Epcot earlier this week and they are getting ready for the International Food and Wine Festival. All the booths are out, even the cash register are out next to the booths. First day is the 30th, I believe. Plan to go over there and check it out. I'll be sharing some videos with you. Emily said, love Flights of Wonder, but the Up version is good too. It's actually just fun to see the birds. You never really know what you're going to get when you're dealing with kids and animals, and that's true for this show. Kathy says, watching and eating at Be Our Guest. Wow, good choice. Hope you have a great day at the Magic Kingdom. Enjoy Be Our Guest. Terrific restaurant. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Had a chance to have breakfast and dinner there. Haven't done lunch yet. Anytime you get to have a meal there, it's worth doing. Tracy's got 19 days to go. Jody, good morning. 50 days. Looking forward to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Hope you have a good time. You wouldn't think as an adult walking around collecting candy would be so much fun, but that really is fun. Kind of takes you back to the time when you were a kid. There are a lot of things to do there at Mickey's Not So Scary. Very special meet and greets, including a photo op with all 7 of the 7 dwarfs. Not something you get to do very often. Boo to You, parade, fun, catchy. Just beware that the song will stick in your head. Hollow Wishes. It's a good time. Diane said, good luck, have fun. Another Diane, hello from Chicago. Johnny says, what time of the year do the smallest crowds occur? Good question. So Disney is doing a really good job of making sure that there are plenty of people filling up the parks at all times of the year. There are a lot of crowd calendars on the internet you can search. A good time, I believe, to go is early December. So the Thanksgiving crowds have cleared out. The Christmas crowds have not yet flooded in. You've got nice temperatures normally and all the Christmas decorations. Sometimes February can be a good time. Just check for holiday schedules. So anytime there's a public holiday or kids are out of school, the parks will swell. Carolyn, good morning to you. It's going to be here in November. Debbie says, you're such a kind blogger. Enjoy your broadcast. Thank you very much. All right, straight up ahead, Expedition Everest. I think I have a fast pass for that one in a few weeks. Let's see if I can do a broadcast and not lose my phone along the way. Lisa from Houston says family's watching together. Hello, Lisa's family. Thank you for being here. We are coming to you live, Disney's Animal Kingdom. We're taking a little tour of the park, see what's going on today. Our destination is Dinoland, USA. And I got a fast pass for Primeval Whirl. Johnny says, do people ever ask for your autograph at the parks? No, that has never happened. Actually, occasionally people will recognize me, and I don't know. I really appreciate when people come up and say hi. But sometimes it takes me by shock because I don't expect people that I don't know to know me, but sometimes they do. And it's really very flattering. It's kind of an honor. Joanne says hates Primeval Whirl. Well, maybe you can just enjoy the stroll here. Shut your eyes when we're on the attraction. It's one of those where some people have told me that they could not handle physically going on it, but watching the video gives them a chance to sort of see what it's like. It's definitely not an attraction for everyone. Rhonda from Louisiana, hello to you. The lagoon over here where Rivers of Light takes place. Theater in the Wild straight ahead, home to Finding Nemo the musical, which is actually a very good one. If you are a dad, beware, you might cry. I have. Monty from Missouri, how's it going? Kelly from Michigan. Joe said we only see you for a little in your video. Maybe you're referring to seeing my face. I have occasionally shown my mug, but I figure you're not here for me. You're here for all the things around us to see. Tim Peterson. Always favorite time strolling through the parks. The fun to people watch it is. Tim, I always appreciate you and your family. You're very encouraging. And Tim is the official and unofficial marketing manager of the Pin of the Month Club, so it must be time for the shameless plug. If you want to get a little bit of Disney magic delivered to your home every month, check out pinofthemonthclub.com. I've actually been shopping ahead for the Halloween season. So if you are a Pin of the Month Club member, you might be getting something a little Halloween themed coming up in the mail. Victor from Chattanooga, hello to you. Robert, Tina, hello. Okay, there's a stop sign here, but I don't feel like obeying, so I'm just going to blow right through the stop sign. And welcome to Dinoland, USA. Big dino right here. A rock right underneath. Sheila says, thanks for making it a great Saturday. Thank you for joining me. Carla from Rainy, Illinois watching. All right, Primeval Whirl, there it is.
So welcome to Texas, where what's going to happen is the dinosaurs are going to pop up. You're going to walk them down. Whoever gets the 150 points will win.
Kenji says, beautiful day. It is a really nice day. It's bright, it's humid, it's warm, but it is a nice, nice day. Let's go over and take a quick peek at some of the Dino Bash sets over here. It's kind of fun. So I had a chance to speak to one of the Imagineers who was working on the project to create Donald's Dino Bash, and he said that with the closure of Camp Mini Mickey to make way for Pandora, they really wanted to have a spot in the park where families could go to meet characters. There's Pluto. Kind of going through the streets. Let's see, here's a meet and greet with Donald wearing kind of a crazy hat. Okay. Here's the Dinoland USA Donald's Dino Bash truck over here. Kind of fun. All right, we're here. Primeval Whirl. Hold on to your hats. Teresa from Pennsylvania, hello to you. Marilyn from Pennsylvania, hello. Thanks. All right, they got the fans going in here. It's a little warm. Jane from the UK, 33 days to go. Kathy said, thanks for the Disney fix. You are welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Elizabeth from Boston. Megan is a fan. Primeval Whirl. We're going to have a little bit of a wait, but normally not too long here. Diane said this is the only way she can do this ride. Terry from Monroe, New York. Sorry for all the noise here. Very loud area. Jolly is a fan of Primeval Whirl. Allison says, thanks for the video. You are welcome. Lynn from Massachusetts. How's it going? Annette says, laughs nonstop. It is a lot of fun. This ride brings out the giggles in people. Me included, I would say. I'll try not to giggle too much. Hey, Ray from New Jersey, how's it going? Janice, give me Dramamine, she'll be fine. It's funny. Ham from Birmingham, Alabama. Christine from Crystal River, not too far. Susie said, glad you can ride along, missed the ride in July. I'm glad you can check it out too. Kathy's a fan. Gonna be here in October. Carolyn, recovering from hip surgery. Thanks for doing the walking for you. And hello from Canada. I hope your recovery is going well. Thanks for tuning in today. Lisa from rainy Indianapolis, Indiana. Bobby from Raleigh says looks forward to the lives on Saturday. Thank you very much. If you are not able to check out the live video, it does get posted to Facebook and also to YouTube. So you can go to YouTube and search for Whirl of Walt. You see a big library of videos there too. Karen says loves the videos. Thank you. Jenny says gets squished. Yeah, this is one of those attractions where squishing can happen. Christine has never been on. Glad to get a chance to check it out. John from Orlando, not too far away. Rick says hurts his back and still loves it. Definitely get jolted around a little bit, that's for sure. Diane from New Hampshire, hello. Karen, 7 days to go. All right, you're almost there. Lori watching with Ella from Riceville, Alabama. Thank you for being here. Robin says, hold on to your camera. That is true. This will definitely spin you around. I'll be holding on tight. Dennis says, how hot is it? You know, I didn't check the temperature before I started. Normally I would do that. It's definitely hot. It doesn't feel as bad once you're in the shade with a fan or air conditioning, but definitely a warm day. Renee from Northern California. Thanks for tuning in. Jackie from Pennsylvania. Tim says that his daughters try to squish him on this ride. Yeah, that's part of the fun. This ride is all about squishing. You can see the people getting off the ride just have big smiles. Carla is a fan. Ben said, what's the best time to go to see Halloween and Christmas? Not sure, that went by pretty fast, but usually Halloween fall decorations are up until right around the 31st, maybe November 1st, and there is almost an overnight transition to Christmas decorations. It's pretty amazing that happens so quickly. It's dramatic on Main Street, USA. Jill says, wish she was here. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate all the comments. Thanks especially for the thumbs up, smiles. Likes are really good too. Shares are maybe the best. Great way to get the word out. But I really do enjoy all the comments. Lee is a fan. Hey, Beth. Pat says, gets a little rough at times, but fun. I would agree with you. I just love looking at all the artwork. Checking out the mad scientist at the dashboard there. That's pretty cool. Natalie, thanks for being here. Ken said, he and kids love this ride from Houston, Texas. Glad you get the chance to check it out today. What?
Right behind my yellow line.
Okay. All right, we're almost here. This might be my chariot right here.
All right, it's all yours. Go ahead and have it.
Thank you. looks like I may get the vehicle to myself. That's kind of cool. Thanks. All right, here we go. Erica says, do any of the staff know me? No, I don't think so. Actually seems like the folks get rotated around quite a bit, so you don't necessarily see the same people in the same spots. Although I do know a couple of people who work here, but just as far as general people I run into, no. All right, here we go. Don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs. You know, I don't have anyone else in the vehicle, which is not how it normally goes, so I could just keep talking. Normally I don't want to disturb the people who are with me, but there's no one I will disturb right now. Emily says, how do I keep the camera so steady? I have a gimbal from a company whose name I can't really pronounce. Zinchen. All right, here we go. Dee says, thanks for doing this. You're welcome. Thanks for being here with me. Kate, have I been on this ride before? Yep, many times. It's actually a lot of fun. Tim said I could scream. You may hear a scream here. You may see the camera going a little nutso too. Whoa. Ah! The end is near. Alright, I see a dip ahead. Whoa. Going kind of backwards. Uh-oh. Oh. All right. You need to see the chiropractor after this one. Whoa. I think I'm getting some extra spinning in. Whoa. 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 All right, that was fun. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, we made it. Primeval Whirl. That was fun. Kathy said it was fun too. Peggy says needs to go on it with a great grandson. Kim says there goes her vertigo. Oh no. That means it's time to close your eyes. Trish said, glad I was the one riding, not her. Yeah, I think the phone probably went a little crazy there. Shook around a little bit. Started to open up some menus I hadn't seen before. But thanks for joining me on Primeval Whirl. It was fun. Ed said it was awesome. Thank you. You're welcome. Cheryl did too. Thanks for being here. All right, we will walk out into Dino Land before we wrap it up for today. Appreciate everyone being here. It's always fun to chat back and forth. Thank you for your comments, your questions. Love hearing where everybody's from, how many days you got to your vacation. Marilyn says, how was it? It was fun. You know, if you like roller coasters and spinning, it's pretty good. It's not too rough. There are some times at the end where you have kind of a quick stop, but if you can handle your basic midline roller coasters combined with some spinning, you'll be in good shape. Christine said, thanks for taking you along. You're welcome. Roger said, enjoys Disney when he's not down here with the videos. Thank you very much. Natalie said, thank you. Dawn said it was fun. All right, everyone, appreciate your being here. Let's head out here into Dinoland USA before we wrap it up. So, not every Saturday, but most Saturdays, try to do a live video from somewhere around Walt Disney World. I'll try to do a post on Friday nights so you know where it's going to be. If you don't catch the live, you can always check them out. They're posted to Facebook and to YouTube. I appreciate everyone being here with me. I hope you have a great Saturday. Until next time, God bless.